No, okay. Talaga? Hindi sila naghuhugas ng platito, to?
Minsan lang.
Ang dami nating food! Slice mo ulit, bro. Pagkasa natin dito. Yan.
Talaga.
Nakatawa, kilala ko ng brother ko.
Ako?
Oo, sabi niya. You and Van, you're the only students na. Sabi niya. Yeah, Van students daw. Sabi niya, this is Van's wax, no? Sabi niya ulit sa Hansen's. Nakikita daw niya tayo gumaganon. Every morning, tapos nag-aayos doon sa mga gano'n.
Tinata. Ginugulo. Eh, kasi yun ang style na yun eh.
Sir! Ano?
Uy, kaninong food to? Kaninong food to?
Miguel Foundation.
Demeanor. Like you look like your father. You got probably the skin of your mother. Yeah. But your dad's cool. It's like, hey, you can eat whatever.
That's funny.
How's it feel? At least you got to see your parents. But at least with PI, you got to see your family.
Yeah, every day.
So if anything went wrong, oh, it's okay. This is what you do. You fix it like that.
Not like you. It's a good thing my birthday's today.
Huh?
It's a good thing my birthday's within the... Ikaw lang.
What kind of cake is that?
Oh, sir. Sir, tinabi na namin.
You're satanic laugh.
Hindi. Yung kani, dapat, balik na rin yung kani, dapat akin salad.
Dami ko natutunan.
Tapos, si Miguel tsaka si Iñaki, kailangan na mag-practice sa piano room.
This is ours also. This is all for dinner. The kani salad, Hansen, we'll give it to ano. Yes, sir. Papunta na kami.
Yung kani salad, akin na yan. Akin.
Akin salad, akin salad.
Yan mga speed.
The shrimp is ours, right?
Yeah.
Sir naman eh.
Kasama yung tinidor. Kasama. Kunin mo yung tinidor.
We're gonna have to go to the bathroom.
Kunin mo yung tinidor.
Time to use the bathroom. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wait, ang sabi mo?
Number 2. Number 2 ako.
Iñaki! Iñaki! Ang kanta mo.
Miguel! We have to go na! Miguel! We have to go na!
Ano pa ang ibigay doon? Come on, don't be rude. Don't be greedy.
Ah, yun! Itong lasagna.
Oh, yan. Pakikuha